आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the question is pair of lines passing through point 1 comma 1 and making equal angle with the two lines, that is 3x minus 4y is equals to 1 and 12x plus 9y is equals to 1, intersect x-axis at P1 and P2, then P1, P2 may be. So we are having four options. We have to calculate the values of P1, P2 and then take which of the following option is the correct option. Now, if in general a line x1 comma y1, what is the equation of that line? That is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, where what is m? M is slope, where m is slope. Okay, now proceeding forward. In the question we are given that line is passing through point 1 comma 1, then what would be the line? So let it be L, that would be y minus 1 is equals to m into x minus 1. Now in the question it is also mentioned that it is making equal angle with both lines, that is 3x minus 4y equal to 1 and 12x plus 9y is equals to 1. So it is making an equal angles. Okay, so firstly let's find out the slope of both lines. The first line is 3x minus 4y is equals to 1. So L1 is 3x minus 4y is equals to 1. So what is slope? Comparing it with y is equals to mx, I get m is equals to minus 3y minus 4. That is 3 upon 4. Similarly, second line is 12x plus 9y is equals to 1. So it is L2 12x plus 9y is equal. So from here, what is m? M would be equal to minus of 12 upon 9, which comes out to be minus of 4 upon 3. Now, since they make equal angle, so it means that theta would be same. So I can write as, if slope of this L is m and the first is 3 by 4, so I can write theta. Theta would be equals to tangent inverse m1 minus m2. This is m and m2 is minus 3 upon 4 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So that is 1 plus 3 upon 4 of m. It makes an equal angle with this line also. So that would be tangent inverse of m plus 4 upon 3 minus minus plus upon 1 plus. So it would be 1 plus, it will totally become 1 minus 4 upon 3m. So if they are equal, then it means that these insides both are equal. So I am writing down that it is because if tangent inverse x is equals to tangent inverse y, taking the trivial condition, x would be equals to y. So I'll be using it here. I get modulus of m. Okay, I'm taking the LCM also. So it would be 4m minus 3. It would be 4 in the denominator, here also 4 in the denominator, that would be cancelled. So I'm writing down the remaining part, that is 4m minus 3 upon 4 plus 3m. That is equals to, here also I'm taking LCM, 3 will be cancelled. So I get 3m plus 4 upon 3 minus 4m. Now if I'll be opening the mod, then what I'll be getting? I'll be getting two values, that is 4m plus 3 upon 4 plus 3m. Okay, this is not 4m plus 3, this is 4m minus 3. So 4m minus 3 upon 4 plus 3m is equals to plus minus of 3m plus 4 upon 3 minus 4m. Now there'll be two cases. Firstly, I'm taking the positive value. So case number 1, taking the positive sign. So taking the positive sign, I get 4m minus 3 upon 4 plus 3m is equals to 3m plus 4 upon 4, okay, 3 minus 4m, so cross multiplying. Here from here I'm taking minus common, so I get minus of 3 minus 4m or 4 minus 3m whole square is equals to 4 plus 3m whole square. Now this is not possible. Why? Because square can never be a negative number. So it means that this case is not possible. So the remaining case and the correct case, that would be if I'll be taking the negative sign. So case 2, taking the negative sign. So if I'll be taking the negative sign, I get 4m minus 3 upon 4 plus 3m is equals to, since it's minus here, 3m minus 4 upon 3 minus 4m. Here it will be minus sign, so if I'll be utilizing it here, it becomes 4m minus 3. 4m minus 3. Now performing the cross multiplication, I get 4m minus 3 whole square is equals to this plus. So this is 3m plus 4 whole square. Now taking the under root both sides, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting 3 minus 4m or 4 minus 3m. That will be one and the same thing. So I'm writing down 3 minus 4m. That is equals to plus minus 4 plus 3m. Correct? Now I'll be taking both positive and negative signs and then see what is the value of m. So if I'll be taking the positive sign, it would be 3 minus 4m is equals to 4 plus 3m. So from here I get 1 is equals to 7m, m is equals to 1 upon 7. If I'll be taking the negative sign, 3 minus 4m is equals to minus 4 minus 3m. So from here I get m is equals to 7. So there are two values of m. Now therefore what is the equation of the line? So we are talking about line n. So I'm taking m is equals to 1 upon 7. Then what would be the equation of line L? It will be y minus 1 is equals to m. That is 1 upon 7 into x minus 1. Okay, it is not this is minus 1 upon 7. So I'm taking minus 1 upon 7, x minus 1. So simplifying it, I get y 7y minus 7 is equals to minus of x plus 1. Solving it, I get x plus 7y is equals to 8. And if I'm taking m is equals to 7, so what would be the value equation of line L? That is y minus 1 is equals to 7 into x minus 1. Simplifying it, I get y minus 1 is equals to 7x minus 7. So simplifying it further, I get 7x minus y is equals to 6. So these are the two equations of line L. So therefore, now they intersect at P1 and P2. It is given in the question. So I'm writing down they intersect at P1 with the x-axis. So what I'm doing here is that in both I am putting y is equals to 0. So if I'll be putting here y is equals to 0, x is equals to 8. So the point is, let it be P1. So P1 would be 8, 0. And if I'll be putting here y is equals to 0, I get x is equals to 6 upon 7. So what is the point P2? That would be 6 by 7, 0. Let's see which of the following option is the correct option. So 8, 0 and this. So I hope this explanation is clear to you all. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।